We are going to make noodles. It is for a spicy challenge. Spicy noodle challenge. So I wonder if a cup of tea can test this.
I think I can. I can handle it.
You think?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, let's see. So, we see how much we're going to pull this. At first, I buy them something here. You hear that word here? Yaki soda. I saw it go? Mine.
Beef flavor. I don't even realize that beef.
Oh, I microwave it. Pull the other one while I read the instruction. So open lid halfway only and remove 2 packets. Remove the 2, okay, and throw it out. Then we'll pour the water. 4 minutes in the microwave. Okay. So what you do first?
So we have to add water. Pour water on top of noodles and
No, I have to throw a packet one first. So
I'll throw them out.
okay.
What? Oh, it's alright when you're done stuff where it comes.
Then after we throw packet 1, throw water, and then 2 last. Yeah, 2 last. Okay, so 2 last.
So we
throw
need to get water and fill to the fill line.
Where's
the fill line?
I guess it's this.
Oh, see, too. They're all the way inside.
Alright, boos. So due to the noise in the background, I am voice over in this video. So at this point, Taj went for a bottle of water so that we can pour it in the noodle pack and put it at the fill line. There's a fill line right there in which we have to, measure to make sure that we have adequate amount of water. Yeah, that's all the noodle looks for. Then you're gonna throw it in hers. Just the same amount, so no cheating. And then when we're done that, we are going to put it in the microwave. So for make one noodle spicy, I use one cayenne pepper, some cayenne pepper, cause the noodles don't spicy itself. So we're gonna use that along with some liquid pepper. So we're gonna put the first one in the micro and let it stay for the amount of time it says. First, may I try these, guys. First, me and a cup of tea trying this type of noodle. And let's see how it goes. 4 minutes it says, so put it for 4 minutes.
Guys, it's done. So this is the first one actually. There we go. So this is soup number 1. I didn't want to put the 2 of them in at once because I feel like that never made no sense. So we're gonna put number 2 in, and then we'll check on the back here. Yeah. And them claims them not have my pot off. Guys, tell me. I don't have no twang. Them just try. Them a try for force twang for me. Are you? Okay. So we're gonna empty the packets in there now. Yay.
Oh, I search for look. No, what are you on this?
What I'm saying, we could pull it off, right?
No, man, so this
Close lid, cookie microwave. Grab corners carefully. Remove lid, pour it in. Packet number 2.
So how them tell us if we put the water to a certain level and it look like this? I search for look. Your mother would never try this thing. Your mother would never ever try this thing.
Guinea pig.
No, me I tell her she would never do this because I always tell her so. I think that's a little too salty. Look how I do it. Wait, let me take a pic.
This is enough?
What? Yes, it's spicy noodle challenge. So you're gonna put the same amount you put in mine. Just tip it there. Come, start your. Don't mix out yet. We need to make it even.
So come now.
Go ahead and do yours.
Expand the video.
Oh, I could do that now. This is Tad's on. Oh, your one looks so heated. That man is.
This man just come out of the microwave. Yours has been out for 3 minutes.
I don't trust you. Well. Same amount. Alright, I think you put. I same amount you put?
I feel I'm put more in mine than yours.
Well, I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't eat any pepper. Oh my god, you look so young.
Let's do it.
She looks so young. I can't believe she make me look like a whole lady. So what we're gonna do?
Mix the powdered and flavoring and then enjoy.
Okay, so
mix it round.
Mix it round? What the hell? Like, why it looks so? Why does it look like this? This look like pie. Oh, like that? You know, well, it smells to you. This is the first time I try this. I want my coworker to see I do it. So I'm gonna decide, say, you know what? If she don't die, I might not die. So, yeah, we're gonna go on the table now, or on the table and do it, right? It looks alright. You think we have enough pepper because it's a challenge? You sure you don't want more? Well,
let's
it's
add. You have the grace pepper sauce?
Yes, we do.
Let's add some.
You want some? I think you want to put it. I feel like you put some pepper in my noodles.
No, I didn't. And the video has been rolling, so you can have proof.
So, much drop. Watch out.
1, 2.
1, 2.
Oh,
don't touch that. 1, 2. You do 1 is good.
Dekisha, look at the pepper in mine compared to yours. That's not fair.
Alright, come. Look. Come. Just one.
Just one. Dekisha, it's still not half as much as mine. Look out my one already.
Look at it. Shine the light, please. Look at that.
That little dot.
Alright, look. Are you okay now?
You just be
just trying to.
That's
it's guys, she cheated.
Stop, you're being unfair.
No, because you're putting too much in mine.
You see, oh my one literally went to type.
But that doesn't say.
Right.
She steals. Look at that.
Cheers to equality.
God help me. If you make me something peppery, see?
If you make mine peppery, you're not gonna like it. I've dashed everything.
Oh, is that a threat?
Period. We're gonna chop off though, but
you know, man.
This is the best we can get it right now, people.
Yes, boo. So, you know what we're going. Boo, I'm not letting you down. So, let's show them first. Thumbnail want me? Come on now. With the water there. Oh. What the hell? Your phone. Your phone.
This.
What is this? So just the taste would kill me. What is
the beef flavor your friend there eat? Maybe because of the beef.
The beef?
Have a chicken flavor in it?
I think so. Alright, we'll have to eat it up. It's pepper though. It tastes bad. Why is it sweet? Like sugar. You put sugar in it? You put sugar in it, Tata? You sure we can do this? Do not try this. Why need Father them crazy? Alright, we're racing.
This not for my belly now because I think me going to come. I now make this for my belly. I'm gonna have my good food for the eat.
I don't like great taste.
What this tastes like?
If we didn't know, we would have used a regular thing where we used to top like Chinese with them, whatever it is.
I could have used my Atan spicy chicken ramen when I have.
Can I drink water?
If you drink water, you lose, right?
Oh. You know what? I'm gonna win this. This is the last thing I eat for bed. I'm gonna say it's gonna come out awful. It just have this so good taste. At first, me ever eat noodle, I don't like it. It have salt and it have sugar. Sweet as sour.
What is teriyaki?
Look there, look on my lip.
The heat is not my problem.
The heat is not your problem?
No.
Everything.
The taste is my problem.
The taste and the heat. You see, you put more pepper on my.
Extra soya baked, no choices. Guys, she's almost done. I'm determined that I'm not gonna eat all of mine because I now make this full up my belly when I have my good food to eat.
Yes, Mom. Mom. How about that? Your taste is?
Taste mine.
You kill me.
Taste mine compared to yours. Mine actually a burn. Mine actually hotter than yours. Mine one hotter than yours, the Keisha. Yours is actually mild compared to mine. You need to taste mine. You have to taste it because you see, this is unfair.
I'm good. Taja, both are burnt. I'm going to
Taste it. Taste it.
No, you're mad.
Just taste.
I cannot.
Where that area come from?
Where's the ear?
See area. And that's it. And that's all, folks.
We're not doing it.
That's all, folks.
I can't believe. Look here. I'm gonna tell them this. Do not do no spicy noodle challenge. But tell myself so I'm not do it again. I'm gonna do it by myself. I'm not doing it again. This tastes like crap. This is crap. I'm not even sure the brand anymore. That is crap.
I'm gonna get that taste.
Well guys, thanks for watching though.
I hate this for you.
But
As I told you guys,
I like noodles.
I can't handle heat.
Noodles.
But you still need to taste mine. I feel like she need to taste mine for justify the fact that mine hotter than hers.
Alright. Oh my god. That don't taste bad.
Taste. See how the cookies look?
I don't even know where you put it at.
Okay guys, mine's hotter and she because she never it's the hot pepper sauce where You see that old gulp where you make going on mine, and the little droplets are going on yours? That's the difference.
1, 2.
As I said, I knew I could handle the spice. My tongue a burn me, but I can't handle it.
My nose around literally, guys. Tasha, seriously? You are strong.
Anyways, like, comment, and you for all those who heard her crying about my teeth, I'm gonna never put as much pepper in mine. The proof. Okay. Have a good night. Have a great day.
Are you able to?
So I won.
Please,
Go this way, right side.
Oh God.
Okay, I'm gonna eat my food now because this wasn't it. I'm sorry I made this take up a portion of my belly because
Adult, the dog I gonna eat this. She doesn't smell it.
This for
I'll
that
walk
shit.
away. Of course, I love noodles. Do not ask anybody. Noodles is my favorite. But
that's why I'm gonna mess around with them exotic noodles here now. I'm gonna stick to my ramen when we used to.
But I won because we got a cup of tea's own. This is a lot.
Guys, of course she won. If hers never have no pepper.
No, I have endurance. And that's mine.
Can you just dispose of that? How much money we pay for this?
Backside, $200. That is with tax. Waste money. You could have buy one burger.
Just get back until we find a hearing and refund.
No, they would send me to China. They would definitely send me to China. Say, here, I didn't make this. Your mother wanted this figure, the cat food, you know. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching again. Have a great day.